And this is the first program of jQuery, which I am going to explain now, where, as I said, just now I said that everything in jQuery will be making use of anonymous inner class only. Correct now? Now, before going to that, first thing we need to see is all the jQuery programs should have this tag. This is the first and mandatory tag for all the jQuery programs. I hope you understood that. It is the tag which is meant for including jQuery.js file into this particular web page. Is that clear? Any doubts? Okay. And that too, you can see my file, HTML file is there here itself, and my jQuery file is there here itself. So I have specified src equal to jQuery.js only. Suppose if it is there somewhere else, in the sense I have to specify that path, C drive, whatever extra. Clear? Next. So this is the first tag, let it be. Next. Come to this portion. See here, we have a body tag. Within that body, we have a paragraph. It is holding the content. If you click on me, I will disappear. That is the content which is available in the paragraph. Is that clear? Any doubts so far? There is a simple text which is available. When it comes to JavaScript. In JavaScript, we have to specify paragraph, on-click, events and all we used to specify like that. But in jQuery, it is not like that. Whereas, you just take an example. On-click is there, on double-click is there, on mouse over is there. These are some of the events available in JavaScript. When it comes to few components, some events will be there, some events may not be there. Correct now? So, what we have to do, on the top of that, we need to add one more container. For that container, we need to provide the event so that on click of that, this action will be enabled. That is again a headache, where we need to provide the events through some way, otherwise some or the other adjustments we used to do. When it comes to this one, it is not like that. It will provide you the features and events for any kind of components. Clear? Now, we have a paragraph, that's it. Simple paragraph is there. Come to this $document. Here, every component will be represented with the character $. $document refers to complete web page. It is an object of JavaScript. The same thing appears here also, but there we used to specify it as document.getElementById something and all. But here it is not like that. $document in the sense, it refers to complete web page. Clear? Any doubts? Next. Whenever the web page is ready, it is just like body on load. Previously we have seen for one program. Whenever the web page is ready, see, we are defining my function definition over here. We are starting our function definition over here. That will get ended over here. Clear? See, semicolon also. Within this, the complete function code I am writing, which means anonymous inner class. This function here in jQuery or JavaScript, function itself will be acting like a class. There is no specific classes, there is no specific object, something else. Functions only will be acting as our wish. Clear? We are defining an inner class without a name. Function we are defining, but there is no name for that function. So, this is called as anonymous inner class. Is that clear? We are starting the class over here. We are ending it over here. Any doubts? Okay. Happy. So, this is the first inner class, anonymous inner class I have defined over here. from till here. Okay, na? Any doubts? This is the event. Ready is the event, and this is called as anonymous inner class. Okay. Next, within that anonymous inner class, what I am trying to perform. See, again, for a paragraph component, I am providing one more event. That event is click event. Just like in JavaScript, we have onClick, right? OnClick is the event which we had. Whereas here I am referring to P tag. P refers to paragraph tag. Whichever the tag is holding the value P, for all those tags, this click event will be added. Is that clear?
No.
See, here one P tag is there. Okay, na? For this I need to add a click event. $P refers to paragraph tag. In this particular web page, whatever the paragraph tags are there, all the paragraph tags will be getting this click event. If not this paragraph tag, if I have one more paragraph tag, for that also that click event will be applied. Clear? Next. Whenever I click, I am defining one more inner class. You can see. Whenever on click of the paragraph, one more inner class I am defining. Is that clear? Any doubts? Okay. And that too, even this is also an anonymous inner class because there is no name for this. Okay. What this anonymous inner class is doing? $this. $this in the sense current component. Whichever the paragraph tag you have clicked, that will be referring to current component. That particular component will be hidden. Is that clear? Any doubts? Okay. Hide is a function of jQuery. If you need to make use of this hide function and that ready function, that click function, all these things, I mean events and all, if you need, we need to make use of jQuery.js. If that jQuery.js is not there, this events also won't work, this function also won't work. Is that clear? So I am hiding current paragraph which I have clicked. That's it. That is what the operation which I have implemented over here. Let me show you the output. See, jQuery.js is there over here itself. That's it. Got it? Any doubts? Okay.